Head east on Iola Avenue toward Elliott Court, then turn right onto Elliott Court.
Aransas Passbound, baby. Port Aransas. We're gone. Taking the long 7-hour trek. Definitely worth it. Always worth it with when you spend time with family, especially during these times. But anyway, should be a blast. Man, yeah, I'm half asleep right now. Oh man. Let's see. Got the beach house and got our own guide and nice place to stay. We're gonna film it. Hopefully have a bunch of catches, maybe some big redfish or something. Either way, it's gonna be fun. Even I doubt we're not gonna catch. We're gonna catch something. But anyway, we should have it be. This should be a blast to film this video. Anyway, guys, we'll check in periodically on the road. All right. See you later. Bye-bye, Dallas. Bye-bye, Dallas. Yeah. Still fishing with Raiders, yo. No? First stop. Or first gas stop. Freaking gas over here. That gas is cheap. Anyway, guys. We are right outside of Waco, I guess. Right outside of Austin, I think. I don't know. It's a blur. Yep. Just gassing up. Anyway, we're off on a road trip. Still on the road. We should be there probably around 12 or 1, maybe. Alright. Lionel, small town. We are in Cuero. We just passed the Cuero sign. So, we might get to go fishing today, I think. If we get there early enough. We got about an hour and 42 minutes to go. Anyway, nice little small town of Cuero, Texas. Cuero. We're almost there, guys. Been a long road, but it'll be fun. We'll be back. I figured when we see the ocean and the palm trees, we're home. We're at Bayside. There's Zach Morris over there. Look, a nursery, honey. Nursery. Anyway, we're about how many miles out?
22.
22 miles out. So we're getting excited. We passed over little bays here and there, and it looks really good. We're already super excited. I think we might go fishing today, I think.
Where's that?
We're here.
Is that Marvin or is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe this one.
Oh, yeah. There's the other boat. Damn, how many boats they got?
Oh, I think he has a friend that keeps it.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Alright, we're here, guys. We're gonna see what the game plan is right now. It's only 11:43, so should probably get on the water. Alright. Oh, what a beautiful day. Well, we just got here a while ago, and we're just doing some maintenance on the trailer of the boat. Anyway, this is where we'll be staying. Still a work in progress, but you know, it's they're still working on the house. Ugh. Ow! I think I just cut myself. Oh crap! Bad freaking. Shoot. I'm okay. Anyway, guys, look at that boat. Isn't that smart? I think it's Buddy's boat. But pretty nice. I don't think that's the boat we're going in. I think we're going in his old boat. This is the boat we're going in right here. Dory, I'm not getting your numbers. Here's my cousin Ben. Claims to be a really good fisherman. We're gonna put him to the test.
I don't claim none of that.
Other people claim.
Yeah, they all claim. I just get fortunate.
Yeah, there you go. That's how I feel. I'm blessed. Blessed every day. Anyway, guys, we're gonna be fishing out of the nice weathered Blue Wave. Very nice. I love this boat. It's nice. I'm gonna take it back with me, okay? Anyway, we're doing some trailer maintenance here, or he's doing it. I'm just watching. I'm just making a video. Anyway, guys, we'll be
See you tomorrow.
we will see you tomorrow. We'll be out there slinging them in. Anyways,
Hope.
yeah, we hope. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Thank you, Margaret and Ben, for your hospitality.
Of course.
We'll be back to bug y'all again.
Anytime.
We'll see you tomorrow. If you guys catch reds, see if we get invited next year.
We're gonna catch reds.
Yes.
Anyways,
On
guys.
the watch list.
Yeah. On the watch list.
We posted that picture of you and Aiden together.
We'll see y'all tomorrow, guys.
Oh, on the Facebook?
Bright and early. Bye.
Going to bed? No, we're gonna go in a separate car.
Alright,
We
guys.
went to go get fuel and we'll meet us.
Here we go.
Oh,
I'll meet you out there. Alright. Well, the boat took off without us. But anyway, going in separate vehicles. So, man, this is a nice one right here. That is a big, deep hole. Reminds me of the Falcon or something. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're off to the docks to do this saltwater thing. Should be fun. It's a nice, quiet community here. Everybody's got a trailer and boats. Trailer and boats. Oh, man. Oh, that's a nice big boat over there. Anyway, guys, we're gonna fixing to head out right now, so we'll see y'all on the water. All right. Oh, this thing's dirty. Okay, I'll see y'all on the water. Bye.
oh, there he is. No.
No, that's it.
Huh?
No,
No.
I don't think so. I gotta go. Oh man, the salt water. There's the boat. There's little cousin right there. Watch our little puffy head. Anyway, should be fun. Family fishing saltwater. Oh yeah. Here we go. Broken, the well's broken too. Man, this is nice. Oh yeah, here we go.
Yeah, but whenever we stop, I put a little rag in there or something.
August morning.
I have all of them.
Mickey's Bar and Grill. Cool.
Are you gonna get bait from her?
I already got it.
Oh, you already got bait? Oh.
Nice. You ran over a breadfish. Oh man, look at that boat. Ooh, that's a lot of stickers.
I knew it when I turned the corner and I said, oh my God.
They already are. They're already
Good job, Aiden.
way over there.
Aiden, what are we doing here, buddy?
We're filling up the pots so we can go catch some bait fish.
Yes, I see. Okay, I thought we were going to use those for the bait. As bait. Cool.
Not about fishing, just about barking and bait, fine bait.
Put it in the side right there, you know.
I changed my mind, man. Aiden's going to be the guide. He's going to be our video guide. Good job, Aiden. Good job. Yeah. Man, look at those giant freaking birds.
Hey, I couldn't find my glasses. They don't know.
Pelicans.
Oh, well, you said they were on the microwave.
But you never picked them up, so I grabbed them for you.
Oh, well, I had 20 things that I was doing.
It gets busy like this on Louisville sometimes. Oh, man. Ah, I love that salt there.
That's her phone.
Huh? Oh, her phone?
Hey, one both.
Awesome. Well, guys, I don't have a whole lot of batteries charged up here, and I don't have a charging station, so I'm gonna try to conserve this for the catches. Okay. Anyway, we'll be back when we have a fish. Bye. Oh yeah. All right, we got one already. Oh, rat raid. I don't know, what is it? Speckled trout. Snaggletooth.
Big?
That's decent size.
Oh, that's good size.
Really? That's good. Snaggletooth. It's got one tooth that'll go.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. That's how it eats its bait.
You grab her line when you're...
I think it's off now. Yeah,
There's a hole. Wow, that's cool.
Yep.
So what's the keepers?
For speckled trout's 15, and then for redfish it's 20.
20. Okay.
Okay.
He is the fish
I
master.
gotta start scrubbing the freaking deck.
There goes my free trial. I gotta pay for the rest of my fish.
You're free to.
So is it kind of like just like regular, just go straight line and you just pull on it?
Yeah, it's his treble hook, so no matter what you do, it's gonna
Oh, okay.
set it. You got
Most of the
3
fish
hooks.
here, if your bait's out there, they'll grab it and they'll run with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they don't. If it goes down, you know, like bobbing up and down, they're picking at it, which is the small little bait. Of course, you know the shad what you all use over there.
Oh yeah. Oh look, baby, you can see the bottom
and then
there.
it'll just take off. If you put that shrimp in the ground in the water,
Uh-huh.
you see all the bait fish coming after right away.
Really?
You said that it's only waist high.
Yeah. Look,
All the way around.
look, man. You can see the grass. Look.
Oh, okay.
So they're biting all that stuff off, but they still, the big fish, they get attracted to them, you know.
Yeah.
Attracted to the bait fish. Not in there.
Well, they like shrimp too, but I mean, you know, it's still.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's leave it up there.
Sit there.
You don't want to sit there?
That's time for a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna drink my coffee. All right, Mama got her first fishy.
$100 in the bank. Come on. You take Venmo?
Venmo, yeah. Right.
Maybe small.
Yeah.
Well, up to the right, left over here or something.
Over here?
What kind of one that? Hard head.
Oh, gaff top or hardhead.
That's how
Oh.
That's your first fish, babe, a catfish.
Quit following me.
Bringing the catfish from Dallas.
Right.
Rick said there's got to be a way to keep these things.
Oh, we used to eat them. That's what we were raised on. Gaff tops and hardheads, yeah.
So what's
Just
the
eat
difference?
'em.
between
They
the
were
blue?
just fried.
So you just fillet it just like a regular fish?
Yeah. Not only that, but we make soup out of them too.
Yeah, that one.
We used to come back from Rockport with big old cooler full of fish. And we didn't know it was this nasty fish.
We didn't know. We didn't know.
We're watching you.
When it goes sideways like that, and we saw it right now like that, that's the time to come.
Uh-oh, Aiden's gonna get it. Bang. Oh, Aiden. You get him, Aiden?
No.
No.
They take your bait away too,
Maybe
right?
take yours to bring yours in?
Really did?
Some of the bigger bait fish will go down there and they'll grab it.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, lady.
Gonna outfish you here too.
Whatever.
Is it hard to
It's always a competition for us.
fill it in?
Mm.
No, that's a bait fish, but it's good.
You can cut that out, huh?
Ah, that's not it.
Ah, your catfish that followed you. Ah, hardhead. Well, we're moving. We're catching nothing but hardhead and one nice snaggletooth. All right. We'll see you later. I feel like Wes. I feel like I'm in Florida.
That's right.
I finally got near a snaggletooth, Wes. Anyway, we're going to the next location. Hopefully we'll have more luck. Well, the bucket.
Hey, let me dump out these shrimp.
No fish.
Well,
she's different names
there now.
Spot number 3, here we come.
But,
Finally, got something here. Oh, it feels good. Oh, nice. It's a little rat raid. My first red ever. Hey, do they have teeth or? Teeth?
no.
Oh. Nice. Ta-da! My very first raid. I hate rats.
5 back in the water.
Oh, another raid. A rat raid. Is that a rat raid? Here you go, man. You need to. We both got reds, babe, at the same time. Huh?
You gotta take my picture.
I got you on video. I don't have my phone. Here. Okay. Oh, there are fish here. There you go. All right, ready? Come on, Captain. Woo! Yeah, that's a nice rig. I'm getting some great footage here. Nice. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah, smile. Right, we got another one. Nice.